Weather from where you live.
Well, after a record-breaking hot, dry summer, very similar to 1936, on this date in 1901, after that awful summer, we had one of the wettest October days on record with 2.5 to 4.5 inches of rainfall area-wide. It was not a tropical storm or hurricane, but it was a surface low that came out of the northern part of Mexico and moved northeastward. Here's the Lafayette area, there's Indiana, and there's our low at 8 a.m. on October the 12th. Moved northeastward, and it was a good track. Be a good track for heavy snow in the winter, but this time it was heavy rainfall. And here are a few of the totals officially. Around 4 inches at Lafayette, 3 2/3 Rensselaer, and almost 4 inches at Delphi and Kokomo, all in 24 hours. Tonight we're tracking a surface warm front. South the warm front, it's actually quite muggy, and with it moving northward, our temperatures will actually rise after about 2 a.m. to around 61 degrees, and the showers and even a few thunderstorms will increase. We've had them increasing in the area this evening, but I do expect more south and southwest of the area during the overnight hours. Now, we're getting a little bit of lulling in our southern counties right now, but it's still pretty heavy rainfall around Battleground and Delphi. That's some of the heavier rain that went through Lafayette just recently. Also Chalmers and Yeoman, and some pretty good rain over Rensselaer and Monticello, all working northeastward. Rain at Kokomo. That could be a little thunderstorm developing now just the west of Sheridan. That's headed for southeast Clinton County. We've also got rain around Rossville. You can see the lightning strikes in southeast Indiana, and I think we will start to see a few lightning strikes during the overnight hours in our area as, again, these showers start to intensify and move northward over the next few hours. And then tomorrow, we're going to have periodic showers and storms all day. There'll be some breaks in between, but the main break still looks to be tomorrow evening after 7 o'clock until the squall line comes in what appears to be near midnight. And with that, some scattered severe gusts. Can't rule out a very isolated, brief, weak tornado. And then for Tuesday, still scattered showers and storms. The question is, if we get the sun out for just a little bit, can't rule out an isolated severe storm or two, perhaps even a few scattered severe storms with 1 to 3 inches of total rainfall before this is all said and done. 70 to 74 tomorrow. Strong winds from the south. Most likely these highs will be early evening to mid-evening, with most of the day that's kind of being in the mid and upper 60s. And Tuesday we're going to be in the mid 60s generally. 66 Lafayette, 67 Covington, 63 at Morocco. There are the showers and even some thunderstorms coming through the area overnight. That's about 2:30 in the morning. This is about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. And again, there'll be a few breaks here and there through the day, but this is 3, 4 o'clock and still more showers and thunderstorms before the main squall line comes in from the west near midnight with some pockets of damaging wind, and then kind of showery even on Thursday with a few thunderstorms. That's about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon once we get into Tuesday, and I can't rule out an isolated or couple severe storms. There's your severe weather threat for tomorrow night. Most of the areas under severe weather threat except the far north. And overall, a lot of rain too, 1 to 3 inches area-wide with the heaviest totals in our eastern counties. 7-day forecast, you can see 66 Tuesday, 63 Wednesday. We'll be up to 72 by Friday and in the 60s next weekend. Amber will have an update on any severe threat for tomorrow night, tomorrow morning.
All right, Chad, thank you. Well, Ruben, I'll tell you what, after a Mizzou loss yesterday, a Purdue loss,